Is it a bit quicker than a 1.6 GTE, mate?
It's a bit quicker.
Alright guys, and welcome back. Right, in this episode, I am hopefully, or shall I say we are hopefully, because Liam's here, going to get this C20LET Nova running properly, boosting properly, and finished. So you can probably see my garage is a right mess because I've been super busy recently. But we've got a new turbo for this. Now, if you watched my last episode, you'll note the turbo is actually faulty. It seems to have fallen apart somehow and it's not boosting properly. So we have this beauty. So what we have basically is a reconditioned KRS Stage 1 turbo. Now this has a billet compressor wheel from memory. It also has an upgraded actuator and heat shield. Has much better bearings and seals inside. It's got a stainless steel penny valve and it's balanced to motorsport spec. So this should be super reliable and should offer a really nice, safe 300 horsepower, which is much better than the crap we've got on it at the minute. Right, so fit turbo, we've got to take front bumper back off, unfortunately, rad, intercooler, all that crap. We've already started, as you can see. So I think we're just going to time lapse this and get it done. We start by jacking up the car and placing it on axle stands. I tend to put the stands under the front tie rod mount as I find them really secure there. I then unbolt the downpipe while Liam removes the bumper. The slam panel brace is then removed along with the intercooler. I drain the rad out and of course most of it ends out on the floor, not in the bucket, and then pull the rad out completely. The oil lines are then removed along with the vacuum lines and the lambda sensor. Liam unbolts the manifold and off it comes. A lot easier than the 2-litre TDI Charan I recently did. We then quickly swap over the coolant lines, etc. to the new unit. Right, so that's all the ancillaries and bits and bobs swapped over from the old turbo to the new turbo. And that was the issue with the old turbo. As you can see, that's loose. Taking this off, and then bolts there were not tight enough. So it's made the whole thing just kind of collapse and shit itself, basically. Not good. Right, I'm going to fit it now. And hopefully we're going to be boosting properly by the end of the video. We fit it all in reverse order. We start by bolting the manifold to the head, then we bolt the downpipe and connect the oil return. The vacuum lines then slide onto the compressor housing and the actuator. We then fit the rad and intercooler off camera just to speed up the repair. So it's 6 o'clock, we've been on it 3 hours, just putting the bumper back on. It runs, turbo's obviously all on, coolant's filled up, everything seems okay. We've also put a new wideband sensor in because the one we bought second hand clearly wasn't working, and that seems to be reading spot on now. So yeah, once Liam's put the bumper back on, we're going to give it a razz down the road, and fingers crossed that's going to fix our issue. The bumper's held on with 4 M8 bolts into the chassis leg, and that's about it. The modified grille is then secured using 3 self-tappers. That's it guys, the engine room conversion is now finished. Doesn't it look absolutely fantastic? I'm really pleased with it. I'm that pleased I've even put my name on it. Right guys, so it's the first proper drive. Air fuel seems pretty good, doesn't it? Yep. Right. I'm happy with that. Now to third gear. So good, huh? Yeah, I'm happy with that. Are you happy, mate?
I'm happy now.
Oh, I'm pleased.
Sorry, language, brilliant. Love the moment.
Right, Liam's first drive. In case you're wondering, the red pipe through the window is for the bleed valve. Now this is just to dial in the turbo, and it's obviously only a temporary thing. Whoa!
Can't move it that.
There's lots of bends around here. You just be careful. Don't kill me. Whoa! scary, isn't it?
There's one pace coming in fast.
Is it a bit quicker than a 1.6 GTE, mate?
It's a bit quicker.
Fucking hell. Sorry for swearing, YouTube.
We're on a private road, by the way.
Show everybody a smile. Right, now back to me. And as you can see, the bleed valve's now sorted and the pipe work is all done up. So you're happy, Liam?
I'm happy.
Very happy.
Very happy.
Good. I'm pleased to hear it.
Seems like the longest 6 months of my life. But
Yeah, it's been a while, but we got there in the end. Hard work pays off.
hard work, dedication, and crap parts.
What does Matt Armstrong say? Hard work beats talent.
Hard work beat talent.
Yeah, well,
Extra fuel.
Think bit about it.
BT.
So yeah, I think we should wrap the video up there, guys. Liam can take his car home now. He's a happy bunny. He's got a bit of summer left. He can be boosting about, and I can move on to the next project. So hit the subscribe button, guys. Stay tuned for more, and next week you'll be seeing my new Audi. See you later. Bye.
Drop the clutch.